हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। और आज है पार्ट 5 ऑफ द ई कॉमर्स ऐप एंड टुडे वी आर क्रिएटिंग द स्क्रीन फॉर कैटेगरी स्क्रीन। ओके, तो इस स्क्रीन में बेसिकली क्या होगा, वी आर मेकिंग अ स्क्रीन इन विच जितनी भी कैटेगरीज है इट विल बी इन आर बेसिकली लाइक the tab, like in this tab, and we'll be like able to classify the things according to that. So let's start with the today's videos, guys. So before starting the categories, I would like to like show you something which we are going to incorporate is. So currently what we have created till now is this, what you are looking in your video. So where you can just log in, and this is your homepage, and we are working on this screen for today. Perfect. So let's start developing the category screen. So for category screen, I have some of the things. First of all, just try to look over this. For category screen, we are like incorporating this widget. So this is a Flutter stack grid widget. इसमें क्या होगा, सब इस तरीके से assign हो जाएंगे, इस तरीके से चीजें assign होगी, and then we are gonna build it. Okay. So perfect. So as I told you, you know how to install outer packages in your like repository. You just have to copy this and go to your terminal, and you just have to paste it. So perfect. So I have installed it previously, so I don't need to install, but you have to do it. So perfect. So we have did this, and now let's try to customize our screen. So we have to go to the category screen. Inside category screen, we have to incorporate some of the things. Like you can see in the main screen, we have did some of the things. So in this screen, what we can do, we can start with uh, the heading only. So for heading, we can just go to the home screen and copy this type of font, because the font size throughout the app will be constant. And just remove this with this and import this and change this to category. Perfect. So this is what we made. Let's try to format this and change the color to black. Perfect. Let's refresh it. So yeah, you can see that category in between, but the thing is its size is kind of large, so we can just make it a little small with categories or 25. Perfect. And we don't want this at the center. Basically what we'll be doing, we'll be removing this widget and putting this in the column. Inside column, we'll be padding this. So for padding, we'll be giving it 20. Perfect. So you can see category in our screen. The only thing we have to incorporate is give them a size box of height 20. Perfect. Now it is looking perfect, and now we are going to use the package what I have imported. Perfect. So again, what you have to do, you have to go to the website again, and in the website you just have to copy this and paste it in your code. So perfect. Now what will you do? You just have to import this widget. So it will take some time. to incorporate everything. So you can just import this and every error has solved. Let's try to format this, but I think now we can format. Perfect. The only thing we have to change is this to some type of text. Copy, paste. We just have to remove this constant value so it will be perfect and change it to shoes. Similarly, here everywhere we have to do the same. So that we can see the difference from all. Perfect. Just have to remove this child. Let's try to format this and refresh it. So I think we have to put this in the expanded widget, but before that, let's try something. Let's wait till the app is building. Till then, what you can do is you can just read about the widget, what it is showing. So basically, whenever you want to just perform the things, what you can do, you just have to read about the widget and then uh, in whatever package you are like working, you just have to just read about the readme file and then you are good to go. So let us go through all the sites. So what the things we have, you if you want to go, you can also go to the GitHub repository of the package, how it is made, and we have examples and installing versions. So all the version of this package is written over here, and then we have scores, how the packages perform on the different screens. So what we can do, let's go to our screen and try to rebuild this. So till now what we did, we just imported this package which is like a staggered grid, and in this we have like defined the number of things we want, and then we defined it the spacing between them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, So this is how we are planning to make this. So it is taking a little time to build. If you have a fast and a good laptop, it or a PC, it won't take much time for you. So yeah, you can see that it's installing for current version. Perfect. You can just start with designing it. So what we will do, put it inside a padding of 20, so it will come a little down as compared to all. And what we can do, put this in the column similarly what we did before, and in the column we'll be simply calling the this part where we wrote about categories. Perfect. Format, what else we want, a size box of height this. Perfect. Let's try to refresh it. So yeah, you can see that the only thing we have to change is this to black. Perfect. You can see that the only change we have to do is to put something in this. Perfect. So let's put something on this, and let's make all these size a little small to 15. Perfect. And make it as W500. Perfect. So let's copy this in O all. Perfect. As you can see, all the things got small. So what the other things we can do, we can just put this text into the column, inside the column, or not column, container. Inside the container, we'll be giving a color of red. Yeah, you can see that. So let me do the thing. Let's copy this and let's make one widget, because if we make for all, then it will be basically larger code. Let's name it as style. Inside that, what we can written, a container with everything, and we just have to remove all the containers with tile. Perfect. So this is how you have to do. This will make your code smaller and easy to understandable for all. Perfect. You can refresh it. So yes, you can see that how it works. So perfect. So what we can do, we can similarly make tiles for multiple different things. And here, first of all, let's give some decoration of to this, and then we'll be doing anything, removing this color. I think color is given. Let's refresh it. So yeah, you can see that everything came into your screen. The size text only, we are have to go to padding. Let's pad a little to this. Perfect. Uh, we can also give some of the things over here like string, string on title, comma, string on image. Perfect. And what we can do is to put this thing image. Perfect. So this is how we are gonna do. And the other things we also have to define things over here. So we just have to say multiple different things like string. Let's name it as perfect shoe. So similarly, we can do this to all. So what you can do, you can change shoes for formal shoes, and then kids shoes, sneakers, sport shoes, and then on a last one, what we can give, donate, donate shoes. Perfect. So I think our path is correct. Assets. No, the path is not correct. We have to give the path for all. Copy relative path. So yeah, you can obviously put multiple different images according to you. So I'm just showing for one. Perfect. The similar thing you have to do for all. Perfect. Let's try to refresh it. So yeah, you can see that everything is here. Like what we want. The only thing is here it is shoes, but what we want title, and where is our image? We can fill or cover only. So basically what you can do, you can just apply different images over this so that it will look a little good. So we can also, for this current thing, what we can do is currently it looks good. You can also try with image which will look more good. Let's try to use this image. It's just for a demo purpose, but yeah, you can use that. It will just cover images. Assets will be same. So perfect. So this is how you can see that everything you can put that. And uh, what we can do, let's try to like introduce the banner for all, so it will look more good. And here we can do a white color. Perfect. So donate shoes, everything you can incorporate. So let's try different images. So let's try a download image for sneakers banner. I think I'll just show you my screens also. So let's see what type of images we are incorporating. Save image. Assets. Put it. And then we have formal shoes. For this also we have. Perfect. And then we have sports shoes. Then we have kids. We just want one banner types image. Save image as. Perfect. So now let's go to our screens and put all the images over this. Yes. First of all, copy this, copy relative path, category, go for formal shoes, copy relative path, Go for formal shoes. Try to refresh it. Yes, you can see that normal shoes is looking very good. Just copy relative path, go to categories, paste here, copy relative path, sneakers, just go here, refresh it. Yes, you can see that. And the sport shoes only left. Copy relative path, go to category and just paste this here. Perfect. So let's refresh it. So yes, you can see the whole thing. We have just put it in the wrong section. Perfect. So this. Yes, you can see that for sneakers, for formal shoes, for kid shoes, for sport shoes, for donate shoes. Everything looks very fine and looks very good. So now we can move. This is how we are going to create the things. So what the other thing we can do, similarly, we can copy this and paste this here and make it as 8. So this is how you can do, and perfect. So this is how the category is like displayed. So what we can do is just for one thing, put this column into a widget known as single child scroll. Perfect. So this is how we created our category screen. I think one is like not looking good. So what we can do, donate shoes. We should download a new and good banner. It should look good, obviously, because this is a professional website or a. So you can download multiple things over like you can go to any website in the section and you can just download it. So as like as per your requirements and need, you can just download the things you like. Save image. Perfect. And let's go to the code, and where we took this for donate shoes, we'll be just giving this and refresh. Okay, I think another. Yeah, perfect. So similar thing will be doing here, and you can obviously change the titles for all. So whenever user clicks on any one of the tile, it all the things will be kind of separated according to the needs. So perfect. This is what we learned in our today's video. So all the things as like you can change if you like some more good images, you can obviously put in that. So this is for today, guys. What we made is our category screen, and it is looking literally very good. And tomorrow, what we are making is a search screen. So make sure you like and subscribe the channel. And I hope you like the video. And please make sure to like contact the like a number in the description. So thank you for watching. Have a great day.